How to prevent XML-RPC attacks on your WordPress website. WordPress is a widely used platform, making it a prime target for attackers. Among the vulnerabilities often exploited is XML-RPC, a remote procedure call protocol that enables communication between WordPress and external applications. Attackers use XML-RPC for brute force attempts, DDoS attacks, or pingback exploits. In this article, we'll explore actionable steps to prevent XML-RPC attacks and secure your WordPress site. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. What is XML-RPC in WordPress? XML-RPC is a feature that allows external services to interact with WordPress. It supports functions like remote publishing from tools like the WordPress mobile app, pingbacks to notify other blogs of links, integration with plugins and services like Jetpack. However, these functionalities come with security risks, especially if not actively used. Common XML-RPC attack types. Brute force attacks. Attackers try multiple username-password combinations via XML-RPC. DDoS attacks. Using pingbacks, attackers amplify distributed denial-of-service attacks. Data theft. Vulnerable sites risk unauthorized access to sensitive data. How to prevent XML-RPC attacks. 1. Disable XML-RPC. Recommended disabling XML-RPC completely is the best way to mitigate risks, especially if you're not using features like remote publishing or Jetpack. Using plugins, install and activate a plugin like Disable XML-RPC or Disable XML-RPC Pingback to block XML-RPC with a few clicks. Add code to functions.php. Add this snippet to your theme's functions.php file. PHP. Copy code. Add _filter XML-RPC _enabled _return _false. Block via access. For Apache servers, add the following to your access file. Apache. Copy code. Files XML-RPC.php. Order allow, deny. Deny from all. /files. Block via nginx. For nginx servers, add nginx. Copy code. Location equals /XML-RPC.php. Deny all. 2. Restrict access to trusted IPs. If XML-RPC is essential for your site, restrict access to specific trusted IPs. For Apache. Apache. Copy code. Files XML-RPC.php. Order deny, allow. Deny from all. Allow from 192.168.1.1. /files. For nginx. Nginx. Copy code. Location equals /XML-RPC.php. Allow 192.168.1.1. Deny all. 3. Use a web application firewall, WAF filter and block malicious traffic before it reaches your site. Options include Cloudflare. Add rules to block requests targeting XML-RPC.php. AWS WAF. Customize WAF rules to block threats. WordFence or Sucuri, WordPress-specific WAFs with built-in XML-RPC protection. 4. Disable pingbacks. Pingbacks are often exploited for DDoS attacks. Disable them to minimize risk. Navigate to settings greater than discussion in your WordPress admin panel. Uncheck allow link notifications from other blogs, pingbacks, and trackbacks. 5. Enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, adds an extra layer of security. Use plugins like WordFence Login Security, Google Authenticator. This ensures attackers cannot gain access even if they have a valid username and password. 6. Monitor and throttle XML-RPC requests. Monitoring traffic can help detect unusual patterns targeting XML-RPC.php. Fail to ban. Configure fail to ban to monitor logs and block repeated access attempts to XML-RPC.php. Rate limiting plugins. Plugins like Limit Login Attempts Reloaded can restrict the number of login attempts via XML-RPC. 7. Hide XML-RPC endpoint. Change the URL of sensitive endpoints to make them harder to target. Plugins like WPS Hide Login can hide both login and XML-RPC URLs. Additional security measures. Keep WordPress updated. Regularly update your WordPress core, themes, and plugins to patch known vulnerabilities. Use strong passwords. Ensure all user accounts have strong passwords to reduce brute force risk. Install security plugins. Tools like WordFence, iTheme Security, or Securi add extra layers of protection. Conclusion. XML-RPC functionality can be useful but is rarely essential for most WordPress sites. Disabling or restricting it significantly reduces the risk of attacks. Combine these preventive measures with regular updates, strong passwords, and a web application firewall to safeguard your WordPress website. Securing your site today ensures your data and users remain protected from malicious activity. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.